Thanks for watching the video, and here is Osite. So one thing that I noticed about the payout on Facebook is that with the Facebook, if you're not monetized, you'll not be able to add the payout. Yes, because I have another page. Okay, when I checked with the monetization as in the payout, okay, I did not see anything right there. Okay, but let me show you how you can check your to see whether the payout is available. Then you can add your details, add your bank details. Just get your account ready for payout. Okay, so if in case yours is there, you will see. If in case it's not, you will see it as well. So yes, I forgot. Just subscribe to this channel and like the video because more videos you can right here on this platform. If you want to know how you can monetize your channel, I mean from start to finish, I'll be bringing more videos, and the videos have already been posted, so you can check it all in the comment section or description of the video from start to finish. So the payouts, and this is actually mostly like the last video of the Facebook monetization process, because after payouts, what's next? You start to continue to post your videos and earn more. Okay, so now let's go at the payout. So just open your Facebook app or just log into your Facebook account. When you log into your Facebook account, okay, you could see we have the menu right there. Tap on the menu or go to menu. Wherever that you find your menu, just look for it and go to your menu at the top right corner right here. When you come to this side, scroll down from here, scroll down. Then look for settings and privacy. Settings and privacy, and tap on it. At this point, just give me a like and let's continue with this. When you tap on settings and privacy, then you look for settings again. Settings again right here and tap on it. When you tap on settings, scroll down from here. Scroll down from here, and you could see we have the payment. With the payment, if yours you see only add payment only, then it means that you are not ready for payout. As I said before, you can add payout details to your account, you need to first monetize your account. So with this, you could see that my account hasn't been monetized. That's why the payout option is not there. But with other one that you see on the screen right here, you could see at the same place where we have the payout, we have the payment. Okay, we have the payment, we have the payout there. So you could see there is two different things right here as you see on the screen. This one is the one without the payout, but this is with payout. This account has been monetized, but with this it has not reached monetization. So I think that you can know whether your account you can set out the payout or not. Okay, so if yours you see the payout, then you are lucky, and this is how you can set up your payout. Let me show you how you can do that. But if you haven't like the video, because it wasn't easy checking out all these things. Okay, so just give me a like right here, and you can also follow me for more videos right here on this platform. Now let's log into our account again. You go through the same process. You go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, then you go to settings, you scroll down, and then you look for payment. When you reach payment, then you tap on payout. And when you come to payout, look at the top, we have some settings right here, setting sign. Okay, then you tap on the setting sign. When you tap on it, you can see with my account we have the payout method right here. We have my account linked, we have the tax information also linked, and I'm not able to show you the process for the payout method as in the bank, and then also the tax info. I'll not be able to show you because with mine you can see the date right here was updated 2023, that is August 29th 2023. Okay, so now I cannot make any changes per my try. I was trying to on I delete the details, and then I will show you the process again, but I've been trying a couple of times and I was unable. But these two places, they are not that confusing. You just need to add your bank details, and then the second one, which is the tax info, that you just continue to add your details, whether your account is just business or just personal. Okay, you go through all those things. So when it comes to the payout, it is all about giving your details. And as I always say, make sure the details that you are giving is legit, so that you will not find yourself wanting in any situation. Okay, so just go through the options, give your details to them, and then your account will be set up for payout. If in case of anything or you need help with anything, then please comment below. I think that will help so that I can look through your messages and then answer you one by one. So kindly leave everything right there. So for other videos, check in the comment section or the description of the video, and then get all other videos about the monetization. This is it. And if you are new, just subscribe and like the video. More videos will be coming here on this platform. Stay alive and bye for now.